Hey everybody, this is Eddie Phillips. This week we're going to take a quick look at Teams and how to interact with people who don't currently use Teams so that you can move away from other products like Zoom. I'm sure you've seen in your feeds that Zoom is just not as secure as we'd all hoped. So since I'm still seeing people and organizations using Zoom, this is the best way to use Teams, especially when you're interacting with somebody who doesn't have it. So if you already have a Teams subscription, this is targeted at you. If you don't have a subscription right now, there are opportunities for you to get it for nothing right now. I'll put a link below this video showing you how to get that. So really what we're going to look at right here is opening up a new meeting inside of Outlook. You click on the Join Teams meeting. It's going to automatically populate your meeting request with all that information. We'll just open that back up real quick here. So you can see that we're sending it to somebody who is not part of Microsoft or doesn't have a Microsoft ID, and they are also not a member of Office 365. So we're going to send that email out, and then we're going to flip over to what they're going to see. So let's do that right away here. Okay, here we are now. So this is on a computer that does not have Teams installed. This is mimicking as if someone were to receive an invite to a meeting and does not have Teams installed. So what we've done here is we've automatically populated with the browser with the link that would show up inside of that meeting invite. So when they click on it, it's going to open up a web page that looks just like this. And yeah, here we have two options. We can download the Windows app, or we can join with the straight web install, which is just a web-based Teams interface. For this example, just to show you how simple it is, we're going to click on the web-based interface. And what this is going to do, as you'll see, is it's going to open up an interface that looks almost exactly what you saw on the computer that actually had the app installed. It's going to load it up, and you're going to be able to interact with your microphone and your camera just like you had Teams installed. Very simple, very straightforward. If you guys have any problems, if you need some help and some direction on how to get Teams set up and how to help use this to keep your company secure and keep your meetings from being infiltrated, please let us know. We're here to help. You guys stay safe, wash your hands.